Hi everyone, today I'm sharing how to create this seashell pattern. This pattern can be used as an accent within a design or as the standalone piece. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new patterns and tutorials every week. So if you're ready, let's get started. Start by cutting 8 strings to 60-inch lengths. Attach all 8 strings to a 6-inch dowel by using reverse lark's head knots. By the way, I'm using 5mm string in the color Sky Blue. You can find this and 20 other colors in my shop. Count 8 strings in from the left and pick up the 8th string, pulling it to the outer edge at a slight diagonal angle. Use this string as a lead cord for the first row of clove hitch knots, and use the next 7 strings over to tie 7 diagonal clove hitches. Return back to the center and pick up the innermost cord from the row you just tied. This will be the new lead cord. Tie another row of 7 clove hitch knots, including the lead cord from the previous row. For this row, try to replicate the spacing of the first row of knots. In other terms, this row should have the same spacing that the first row had from the dowel. Repeat the same method, pulling a new lead cord from the center and tying a 3rd row of clove hitch knots using the same spacing. The last row will be pointing straight down at a 90-degree angle from the dowel rod. Tie the first knot as usual. Now, join the string from the first knot together with the lead cord and tie the second knot over both strings. Join the string from the last knot you tied with the 2 lead cords for the next knot. Continue joining strings together with the lead cords after each knot until you've completed the row. Repeat this process on the right side, but make sure to mirror the direction of the knots. cut a new string to 30 inches and use it to bundle all of the hanging cords together with a gathering knot. Once the gathering knot is tied, go ahead and snip off the top string from the gathering knot in the back. If you'd like to add fringe to your design, cut 16 new strings to 20-inch lengths. Use reverse lark's head knots to attach them to the outer sections of strings. Each outer section should be able to hold about 2 strings. Once you've added all of the strings, cut the fringe to your desired length. If you haven't already, cut the bundle of strings in the center in line with the rest of the fringe. Then just add a string for hanging and you're finished. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more patterns and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching!